Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the arcade tab in Atlas Earth completely empty, showing no games or crashing every time you open it? Here's the fix. First, make sure you're on the latest version of Atlas Earth by opening the App Store, searching Atlas Earth, and tapping update if one is available. Arcade was significantly updated in recent versions and the tab commonly breaks on older builds. After updating, force close the Atlas Earth from your recent apps, then reopen it. If the arcade tab is empty rather than crashing, confirm you're not using a VPN. At last, Reality has confirmed that arcade offers are region specific and VPN routing can either show offers from the wrong region or no offers at all, since partners only run campaigns in specific countries. Turn off any VPN completely and reopen arcade. If the games are showing but rewards aren't tracking after completion, know that Atlas Arcade's rewards can take up to 48 hours to appear in your account. This is confirmed by Atlas Reality and is expected behavior, not a bug. So all you've got to do is update the app first, turn off any VPN, and reopen Arcade fresh, and know that the reward crediting can take up to 48 hours, and that's it. Subscribe.